In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste values only in Google Sheets, a skill that enhances precision in your data management tasks. Let's get started with a straightforward guide that's easy to follow, whether you're dealing with a single cell or an entire range of data. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. Simply navigate to Google Sheets and open the file where you'll be working. Once your document is open, identify the range of cells whose values you want to copy. Click and drag over the cells to highlight them, or hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys for precise selection. Now that you've selected your cells, look to the top menu bar and click on Edit, which is usually located near the top left corner, right by the File tab. From here, you'll choose Copy. This can be a bit different from the regular copy pasting you might be familiar with because we want to ensure we only bring over the values, not any underlying formulas. With your cells copied, decide where you want to place these values. Click on the target cell or the top left corner of the range where your copied values will go. Go back to the Edit menu and this time, click on Paste Special. A drop-down list will appear, and from here, you'll need to select Values Only. This step is crucial because it ensures that only the raw data, free from formulas or formatting, is transferred. If you're the type who prefers working with the mouse, right-clicking is an alternative. After selecting your cells and right-clicking, you'll find an option to copy. Then, with a right-click on your target cell, you can choose Paste Special and finally, Values Only. For those who enjoy keyboard shortcuts, here's a quick method. Once your data range is selected, simply press Ctrl+C to copy. Navigate to your destination cell, and then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V to paste only the values. Google Sheets offers multiple methods for performing this task, so whether you prefer using drop-down menus, right-click options, or keyboard shortcuts, you'll find a method that suits your style. It's these small techniques that refine your workflow and save you from unexpected formatting errors that sometimes sneak in when copying data. Take a moment to try out each method and see which fits you best. Practice makes perfect, and soon enough, copying and pasting values in Google Sheets will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more tips to excel in your data management tasks.